two-story building where we have ground floor, first floor and terrace, and this is a parking lot. And there we have staircase where we can go to the first floor via this staircase. Today we are touring not 3 BHK, not 4, it's a 7 BHK house with super built up area of 1800 square feet, and this is the grand living room. So we have TV unit over here. And if you can see, this is made up of gypsum material, and we can keep some showpieces over here and decorate this unit. And the best part of this hall room is this mood lightings. Now let's switch on these lights and I will show you. So based on your mood, you can switch on these lights. Pink color over here, and lightings in the decoration area. As you have seen the lightings, let's come back to the living area of this floor. So here we can place a U-shaped sofa over here. Then we have this space where we can keep a dining table for 6 members. These lights are specifically dedicated to the dining table area, as you can see. In this first floor, adjacent to this hall room, we have bedroom 1. Then we have kitchen over here, and this is the bedroom 2, and this is bedroom 3, and we have another room here, which we will tour later. And here one space for puja room. Now let's tour the bedrooms. So this room measures 10 by 14 feet, and we have provisions for both split AC as well as window AC over here. And as you can see, here is the attached washroom, is well ventilated, and it has marble flooring and very nice wall accent, and it has laminated door. This bedroom 2 has also provisions for both split and window AC. It has natural ventilation, nice wall accent, shelves, marble flooring and an attached washroom. Now let's go to the third bedroom. So this room measures 10 by 10 feet, and it has also split AC as well as window AC provisions, and it has attached washroom which is over here. As you can see, it's here, and you have view also from here. Now let's go to the additional room of this house. Now let's check out ground floor. Let's check out the living room. This is the spacious and beautiful living room of ground floor. So this is the TV unit, and you can place a U-shaped sofa over here. Now look at this beautiful 3D HD tiles. As you can see, here in the ceiling we have mood lightings similar to the ones in the first floor.
Do you want me to switch on the other lights?
Yes, please.
Check this out, guys.
Adjacent to this drawing room, we have first bedroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3 and kitchen adjacent to this, and we have puja room and one additional room. Similar to the room in first floor, this bedroom has provisions for split and window AC. It has some shelves, natural ventilation, marble flooring along with an attached washroom and laminated doors. This bedroom too has also provisions for both split and window AC. It has natural ventilation, nice wall accent, shelves, marble flooring and an attached washroom. Like the other rooms, it also measures 10 feet by 14 feet and laminated doors. And the bedroom 3 measures 10 feet by 10 feet with ample sunlight and ventilation. It has some shelves, marble flooring, arrangement for split and window AC along with an attached washroom. This additional room is a small space for children with a sliding window and sufficient ventilation. And guys, you can see this is a very spacious terrace over here.